Okay, now I will present to you our new house. Okay, here's the main door. Yes, look. And I don't know what the hell is this, but I know this is the kitchen, huh? So there's a gripo without water. Then the lagayan of the tangke, gasol. The other door. Then here's our salad. Wala man lang kagamit-gamit. There's ito mga taga-Mindoro na nakatira dito. Walang mga alam sa mundo yan. Doon sa Mindoro talaga eh. Huwag na natin kunin. Ano to? Electric fan. I'll show you. Here is upstairs. Come on. Then, again, upstairs. I'll show you the Here is the terrace. Yeah, so mainit. And there's what is? It's a black cat. Wala na. Wait, yan. Yan ang room namin. Well, glass wall. With a nice door. What? Here's the other room. The other boardmate. And why there's Angela? Anyway, whatever. And then another terrace. Oh my gosh. Automatically closed. This is the CR. Model. Kailangan ng model. Yan. Hey. Yan. Welcome. With a nice gripo and a hand shower. Okay. Ano pa ba kailangan? Palang yun. Ito, ewan ko, ano itong ibig sabihin ng whatever niya. Ano pa ba? Kita ko na yan eh. Wala na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Sige, bye. Bye.